Tired of swiping and tapping just to do a simple Google search? I'm going to show you how to add the Google search bar directly to your Android home screen for lightning-fast access. Let's dive in. First, find an empty space on your home screen and press and hold down on it. This will usually bring up a menu of options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Widgets. Tap on it. You'll now see a list of all the widgets available on your phone. Scroll through the list until you find the section for Google. It might also be labeled Google App depending on your phone. In the Google Widget section, you should see a few different options, including a simple search bar. Long press on the Google search widget. While still holding down on the widget, drag it to your desired location on your home screen. Once you're happy with the placement, release your finger. The Google search bar is now permanently on your home screen. Now, whenever you need to search for something, simply tap the search bar and start typing. It's that easy. You can even customize the size of the widget by long pressing on it and dragging the adjustment points. This way you can make the widget bigger or smaller depending on your preferences. And that's it. You've successfully added the Google search bar to your Android home screen, making searching faster and more convenient. Enjoy.